Okay, so we have a broken RV toilet seat. The kids broke the pedal. So I forgot to start videoing this before, so I'm going to show y'all what we had to do. Go in here. On the base of the toilet, there's just a couple of little flanges right here and here. Okay, on the base of the toilet, there's these two little bolts right here. Those go up through the toilet, and then you just put these little nuts on there. All right, and that's what holds the toilet down. On the back of the toilet, there was this pipe that hooks to the back of the toilet. We bought a larger toilet, which is here, so it wasn't tall enough to reach. So what we're gonna have to do is get some shark bites that'll fit that and have the same fitting. We'll probably just install a shutoff valve and add a hose. That way things will be easier next time. On the toilet though, you're going to put this little rubber seal on the back of it, like so. Oh, let me get out of the light. There you go. It just fits right on there. Like that. So we're going to have to wait till I go to Home Depot or Lowe's and grab probably shark bite, shutoff valve, and a hose. So we'll continue this in a little bit. Okay, so that's the new toilet installed. I got a little bit excited and went ahead and installed it. Forgot to video it. Really simple though. I used one of these connectors, slides right onto the pipe, to the PEX pipe, and then this threads right onto the back of the toilet. Really simple. And then you just tighten these bolts down right here. And let me show you the back of the... Hopefully you can see that. That's it. Toilet installed. Ta-da!